Welcome back, Future Drive Channel the Next. New 2027 BMW XM by Larte. Design is a high-performance luxury SUV that combines advanced hybrid engineering with an aggressive and exclusive design upgrade by Larte Design. This model represents a significant evolution in the luxury SUV segment, where performance, technology, and visual impact are integrated into a single platform. The exterior design is defined by a full carbon fiber body kit developed by Larte Design. At the front, the vehicle features a redesigned grille, a sculpted vented bonnet, and a prominent front splitter. These elements improve airflow management while giving the vehicle a more aggressive and performance-oriented appearance. The sharp lines and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to both visual presence and functional efficiency. The side profile presents a wider and more muscular stance. Extended wheel arches and side skirts enhance the structural proportions of the vehicle, making it appear lower and more planted on the road. The 23-inch alloy wheels are engineered to support high-performance driving, offering improved grip, stability, and control at higher speeds. The wheel design also complements the overall aerodynamic structure of the vehicle. At the rear, the design continues with a focus on performance and aerodynamics. A dual spoiler configuration improves airflow and adds stability, while the large rear diffuser enhances downforce. The quad exhaust system reflects the vehicle's performance capability, delivering a balanced combination of power and efficiency. LED lighting elements are integrated with precision, providing a modern and distinctive visual identity. The powertrain of this vehicle is based on a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine combined with an advanced plug-in hybrid system. This setup produces approximately 738 to 748 horsepower, positioning the vehicle among the most powerful luxury SUVs currently available. The hybrid system enhances both performance and efficiency by delivering instant electric torque alongside the combustion engine. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is achieved in approximately 3.7 seconds. This level of performance places the vehicle within the range of high-performance sports cars, despite its SUV classification. The all-wheel drive system ensures consistent power distribution, maintaining traction and stability across different driving conditions. The integration of electric and combustion power allows for smooth acceleration and responsive driving dynamics. The hybrid capability also allows the vehicle to operate in electric-only mode for short distances. This feature supports reduced emissions and quieter operation, particularly in urban environments. The transition between electric and combustion power is managed seamlessly, ensuring a consistent driving experience. The suspension system is engineered to balance comfort and performance. It adapts to different driving conditions, providing stability during high-speed driving while maintaining ride comfort during regular use. Steering response is precise, allowing for controlled handling and confident maneuvering. The interior is designed to reflect the vehicle's performance and luxury positioning. High-quality materials, including premium leather and carbon fiber trim, are used throughout the cabin. Ambient lighting enhances the interior environment, creating a refined and modern atmosphere. The layout is driver-focused, ensuring that all controls are easily accessible. A curved digital display integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system, providing clear and responsive information. The infotainment system supports advanced connectivity features, enabling seamless interaction with navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system is designed for intuitive use, reducing distraction while driving. Seating is configured for both comfort and support. The seats are designed to maintain posture during high-performance driving while also providing comfort during extended journeys. Cabin space is optimized to ensure practicality without compromising the vehicle's sporty character. Advanced driver assistance systems are included to enhance safety and control. These systems support functions such as lane positioning, adaptive cruise control, and collision prevention. The integration of these technologies contributes to a safer and more controlled driving experience. BMW XM label variant in the United Kingdom has a starting price of approximately €150. When equipped with the Larte Design carbon fiber package and additional customization options, the total price typically ranges between €80,000 and €200,000, depending on the selected specifications and features. The overall engineering of this model reflects a balance between performance capability, hybrid efficiency, and advanced design. The integration of carbon fiber components not only enhances visual appeal but also contributes to weight reduction and aerodynamic performance. The driving experience is defined by a combination of instant electric torque and sustained V8 power delivery. This results in consistent acceleration and controlled performance across various driving scenarios. The vehicle maintains stability at high speeds, while offering smooth operation during standard driving conditions. The exhaust system is tuned to deliver a controlled and refined sound profile, consistent with the vehicle's performance characteristics. Despite being a hybrid, the V8 engine maintains a strong acoustic presence, reinforcing the vehicle's identity as a high-performance model. This vehicle represents a modern approach to luxury performance SUVs, where electrification is combined with traditional high-performance engineering. The result is a platform that delivers both efficiency and power without compromise. The 2027 BMW XM by Larte Design stands as a technical and design-focused model within the premium automotive segment. It combines advanced hybrid technology, high-output performance, and exclusive design elements into a single, cohesive package, designed for high-level automotive performance and luxury standards.